Hello everyone. Today, let us examine the 5 yellow shades of the Thoovi watercolor tubes. This can be an exciting way to explore the versatility and depth within a single color family. The colors we are going to take a look at today are permanent lemon yellow, cadmium yellow, yellow ochre, Indian yellow, and permanent yellow deep. Each shade offers a unique character, whether it's transparency, warmth, or intensity. They give artists the flexibility to blend, layer, or highlight various aspects of their artwork. With Thoovi's range of yellow shades, you will have all you need to add warmth, light, and depth to your creations. From the transparency of lemon yellow to the rich earthiness of yellow ochre, each shade tells its own story and opens up creative possibilities. Experience the magic as each shade flows, blends, and reveals its unique character, perfect for adding depth and brilliance to your creation. Now, it's time to reveal how each yellow shade in the Thoovi collection interacts with water and light, showcasing the beautiful gradients, dispersion, staining, and transparency effects. Here's what each yellow shade might offer. Take a close watch to see how each shade transforms and how you can utilize them to bring a distinct effect to your artwork. Each of these properties contribute to the versatility and expressive quality of watercolors. Ready to make your art glow? Embrace the versatility of these yellows and watch as your work shines with radiance and warmth. So which is your favorite yellow? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and happy creating with Thoovi Arts.